Hello everyone. I wanted to post this video so that we can review the resources that you have and how we are going to continue in an online capacity. So here I'm just at the home page for TAMUSA, and it gives you a lot of great information about the coronavirus, the updates for the university. If you click this link, it takes you to this page. To give you the most up-to-date information. It has a link to the CDC, Texas Department of State Health Services, frequently asked questions, previous messages. So this is all here as a resource for you to know up to the date what is happening at the university. So you may have seen that I posted for you guys updated syllabi. So I'm going to go through for my first class, which is 2315 for heritage learners. Here you have the syllabus. Oh no, it didn't keep, I guess, the most recent one. Ni modo, I have it here. Modified syllabus 2315. Okay, so here's the modified syllabus for 2315. We are going to be working by chapter. Okay, so each week you will have some assignments that are going to be due always Sunday at 11:59 p.m. We're going to be using VoiceThreads. So this is what you have to do for this class. We will now be doing oral reflections. Okay, so how you do that is you will go to our Mi Idioma, Mi Comunidad. You will go to our textbook, which is online. Okay, it's been online since the beginning of the class. You'll do all of the activities on your own, so you have a week to do them. For this one, you'll just answer the questions on your own. You can watch the videos. You can also read whatever the readings are, so you'll complete these activities on your own. And then what I want you to do is orally reflect on the chapter. So for chapter 5, we're seeing here that it's about music, food, and cultural perspectives. Okay, so after you review all of the assignments and the activities, I want you to tell me in a 3 to 5 minute video, what did you like? What didn't you like? What did you learn or what you already knew? What did you find helpful, not helpful? How does this compare to your daily life, etc., right? And then you'll also still be completing the projects. So both of these will be due on the same day, right? So we have 1 week to do chapter 5. You'll have to do your oral reflection as well as the project. But do not do any of the portions that make you leave your house. I'm not asking you to do that, okay? You will be completing the projects, and I'm sorry, I will update this. It's not the discussion board. This should also be through VoiceThread. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to have you guys work on are oral and written feedback to your classmates. So 1 week after those reflections and projects are due, I'm asking you to provide oral feedback to the oral reflections and written feedback to the projects. And the written feedback should be at least 3 to 5 sentences. The oral feedback should be a 1 to 2 minute video. So let's go ahead and look at where to find VoiceThread. So this is our D2L, our Blackboard page. You'll see here it says VoiceThread under course content. So I went to course content, VoiceThread. It's loading right now. So I'm just going to let it load for a minute. So I see that I'm doing the setup because we haven't used VoiceThread previously. So I'm going to click course view and return to course. Oh, VoiceThread. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, so here, this is what it looks like. So it tells us there's no VoiceThreads, no, one hasn't been uploaded yet. You should be able to do this. So it says here, create one or add your own. So you have a couple of different options. When you're doing the oral reflection videos, you can go here, add your own, create a new voice thread, and it says add media. You will do, and this you can kind of see it goes up and down a little bit. You'll be clicking this webcam video. Okay, I'm going to allow it to use my microphone and my video. So you can see here I am, and this is when you would be talking about your oral reflection. So you'll say in chapter 5 o en capítulo 5, yo aprendí ta ta ta, me gustó esta parte, no me gustó tal parte, ustedes escogen, ustedes deciden. And here it gives you the time. So you should make this video, your oral reflection of each chapter, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to push stop recording. It's going to be loading for a second. I'm going to save it. Media is added. It asks me to do a title. So I would say chapter 5 oral reflection. Okay. Then I'll save that. The biggest thing that you have to do after this is this blue button. You have to push share and return to course, submit share. If you do not do that, I cannot see your work. Okay, so here this would be my voice thread. In order to make the comment, you see I have this pop-up box that comes up as comment. I'm going to click here and I'm going to leave a oral video comment. So you respond orally to your classmates' videos. So you'll say this. Hi, I agreed or I didn't agree with what you said because of blah, blah, blah. It should all be respectful. You'll say to them, I liked that you compared this to your daily life. I too also find this in my daily life, etc. And here is the time. So you should be doing, I think it is 1 to 3 minute response. You'll stop the recording. You'll upload the comment. That's how you make a oral comment, okay? You'll save it here. You'll save it. When you do your written feedback, it will look like this, ABC. So it tells me to drag the scrubber where I want to insert my comment. I don't need to worry about that, so I'll type my comment. So this is when you would be recording, or I'm sorry, responding to the projects, right? Whatever you want your comment to be, in English or Spanish or a combination of the two. Remember, it should be at least 3 to 5 sentences. So you'll be responding to their project. You could say, when I completed my project, I focused on X. I liked that you did Y. Okay, save. And then that comment will be inserted here. Okay, so that is how you use VoiceThread. All of those will be saved. I can see who completed them and the time that they completed them. So just make sure that you're completing all of these things by Sunday, every Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You can see here for each chapter you have two different due dates. So for March 29th, you need to do the oral reflection and project 5. Okay, a week after that, you'll provide oral feedback on 2 of your classmates' reflections. You'll provide written feedback on their projects. And we keep doing that until the end of the semester, and our final reflection, which can be found here in the text, right? Reflexión. This will be due, right? This will be due until the 10th of May. Okay, if you do have any questions, please let me know.